Christy, I want to talk to you.
What's up?
I want you to promise me something. If you ever go to Hawaii and you go to the beach, don't bring plastic bags.
Okay.
See, the bags get blown into the water and the ancient sea turtles think they're jellyfish and they eat them and they die. Which is really sad because ancient sea turtles are magnificent creatures.
What?
That's what my mother told me when she found out that I was having sex.
I don't know what you're talking about, and I'm not having sex, by the way.
Violet, don't lie to the woman who does your laundry. I can read stains like tea leaves. And by the way, I was a teenager when I got pregnant with you. And for the record, it ruined my life.
Well, why would I be offended by that?
I love you.
I'm sure you think you do. Wait, what was Grandma meaning by that whole sea turtle bag story?